Kung naghahanap ka ng savings program na pwede mong gawing retirement fund, pwede ka sa Kaiser kasi ang Kaiser, 3-in-1 na, may healthcare, life insurance, and investment. 7 years to pay lang to, pwede ring one-time payment, and kagandahan pwede ka mag-avail online. And ang madalas na kinukuha ng mga OFW ay yung 5,882 per month or almost 60,000 per year. And sino ba tong si Kaiser? Si Kaiser is dahil HMO or Health Maintenance Organization, accredited niya yung mga top hospitals, kabilang na dyan si Asian Hospital, Makati Med, St. Luke's, and the Medical City. And of course, mag-sample tayo dito ng plan, yung 88,232 per year. Again, 7 years to pay. May sample tayo si Mr. Save Now and si Mr. Delay. Nag-start si Mr. Save Now at the age of 22, samantalang si Mr. Delay at the age of 30. 8 years yung difference. Parehong nagbayad ng around 88,000 per year. Pag edad nila ng 60, si Mr. Save Now ay may 9.7 million. Si Mr. Save Later or Delay, at the age of 60, 4.5 million lang ang pera niya. Ang difference nasa 5.1 million. Kaya importante mag-start tayo na maaga and talagang ituloy natin tong savings program natin. To know more about Kaiser, message mo lang ako sa Facebook, Roanne Celis Capistrano.